delicious Mother's Day breakfast. This breakfast is a perfect breakfast to make for your mom and bring it to her in bed to eat. She is sure to enjoy it. Servings. 1. So this makes 1 serving. Ingredients. Make sure to get all of your ingredients out before you start cooking and set them out neatly on your cooking surface. Make sure to have space wherever you're cooking. Directions. Number 1. Make the coffee. Bring it to your mom. Number 2. Place a pan over medium heat. Put the sausage or vegetarian sausage in your pan. Put drops of water every time you change the side of the sausage. Change the side of your sausage that is cooking once the side that is cooking is brown. Cook until every side is brown. Number 3. Take the sausage out and put it on a pretty plate. Then crack the egg in the pan and fry it. Number 4. Take the egg out and put it next to the sausage on the plate. Then put the tomatoes around it nicely. Number 5. Put droplets of the sauce you used, if you did, all over the food. Number 6. Put the slice of bread on a small plate next to the big plate and bring it to your mom. Enjoy! Thank you for watching my video, and thank you to my mom, who's an awesome mom, and thank you to my dad, who also again showed me how to make this. And make sure to subscribe to my channel and click the notifications button, and also like this video.